Good morning, everyone. Welcome to DevOps Linux AWS with AI session. We started DevOps session here. We are in Jenkins, and we had done a good amount of exercise on Jenkins in one of the session, and that is we have uploaded. If you watch this recording, end-to-end Java Maven app deployment using Jenkins with Tomcat server, you will understand how to deploy automatically. So I recommend to watch this recording now, guys. After this today's session, we will upload here previous session only theory, which I am going to repeat now, and then we will start what we need to do actually. So now focus, guys. Okay, I am closing this YouTube. You can watch this recording here. Okay, in this playlist. Okay, now I'm closing this. Come here. So we need to create Jenkins pipeline, and today activity what we need to do is this activity we need to do, guys. In previous session, what we have discussed is like uh, theoretical only. Today we need to do practical. Now we are ideally in real time, always there are more than three environment, four environment based on that. But ideally there is a dev environment, there is a SIT means, or you can say QA environment, on there is a prod environment. Sometimes what happen is developer working on their branch, developer working on their branch, another developer working on their branch, another developer working on their branch. So after that, the branches where they are working, they move all the branch into their main in GitHub in developer branch. Okay. So in real time, what happen is if you see inside GitHub also, inside GitHub also, in GitHub also, in GitHub also, there are different environment. Let's say dev environment. Let me increase the font size. Dev environment is there. Then we have QA environment is there. Then we have prod environment is there. So generally what we used to do, people used to create a branch. People used to create a branch. People used to create a people used to create a branch from where people used to create a branch from dev. Okay. So let's say this is a branch one, branch feature branch. Let's say this is a feature branch, feature one, then feature two. Okay, like this, like let's say feature three branches there. And what they do, what they do, they they create the feature branch from where they create the feature branch from dev branch. Okay, they create a feature branch from dev branch, and they after their functionality, this developer what they do. These are the developer. These are the developer. Let's say these are the developer. Okay, these are the developer. These are the developer. So what they used to do, feature one, he's working, feature two, he's working, feature three is working. Later, what happened? They merge the branch, feature one, feature two, feature three, one day inside this dev branch only. Okay? Once this dev is good, once the dev is good, once this dev is good, they used to merge the code from where they use the complete feature one, feature two, feature three will be there in dev. After that, they will move the dev into QA. After that, let's talk about only two environment. If you understand how we can do in two environment, we can do the same thing in 10 environment now, right? According to our diagram, this diagram, let's say let's say in Jenkins, this is a Jenkins, right? This is Jenkins server. Where this Jenkins server lie? This is also one EC2 virtual machine where Jenkins server is there, right? Now, think only of two environment. We will work on two environment, not required three or four also. So let's say there are two environment. There are two environment, dev and QA. Okay. So what happened? This is also one EC2 machine now. This is also one EC2 machine. This is also one EC2 machine. Right? This is also one EC2 machine. And let's say this is in this, there is a Tomcat dev environment Tomcat server. Here also Tomcat server is there. Tomcat. This is QA server. QA server. So what happen is, here we need to create a pipeline. What happen is, we need to create a pipeline. Here there is a pipeline. This is the pipeline. We need to understand this is inside Jenkins we have to create one pipeline. Pipeline. Once this pipeline is triggered, what it will do? It will create. There is a dev job is there. Let's say there is dev job. As we know, once the job is triggered, its responsibility is to deploy build everything, and deploy the code into Maven. Similarly, we have QA job also, right? So why to do everything manually? So there will be one pipeline. Let's say this is a dev job and this is a Q job. Only what will happen when this pipeline will be triggered? When this pipeline will be triggered, automatically it will move the trigger this dev pipeline, and dev pipeline it will deploy the code into where Tomcat server, into Tomcat server. Automatically when dev job is triggered, first what it will do, dev will take the code from dev branch. Dev will pull the code from where? Dev branch. Dev job will deploy where? Here in Tomcat server. Once dev is completed, automatically it will trigger QA pipeline. So QA, what it will do? QA will go to QA GitHub. It will fetch the code. It will fetch the code. It will fetch the code, and it will move the code into QA environment. This is what we need to understand. This is what is our today's work we need to do. So for this is completely our work for today. So according to this, tell me guys, how many server we required? How many server we required? We require one dev server, one EC2 instance, another EC2 instance, and this is EC2 instance, third EC2 instance. Now we are going to create three EC2 instance. Okay, one EC2 instance. Very issue of power nowadays. So this is EC2 instance. We have to create and configure one Tomcat. We will call as dev. Another EC2 instance we will configure Tomcat and we will call it as QA. Third EC2 instance we will configure Jenkins. Okay. So this thing we need to do. And then everything what we have EC2 instance most probably. Okay. So we need to do that. Okay. Come here. Let me sign in. Let me sign in to my AWS account. So what is our step, guys, today? This is our requirement. Okay. Well, let me call it as QA. I already explained this point what we need to do. So what happens if code committed happen in GitHub? Then deploy the code in dev server. This is our requirement. If dev deployment success, then deploy the code into QA server. Let's say QA environment. Okay. Similarly, if QA is done. Let's then move to this code UAT. Just think in that way of prod. But we will take only two. If we are able to do two things successfully, then third is also similar way. So what is this? What we have to do? We have to do something, these steps we need to do. Create EC2 install VM machine, dev server, then QA server, ठीक है, and then Jenkins, ठीक है. So we need to do this. Let me go to instances. Let me go to the instances. Okay. Maybe in last session, Jenkins is there, right? Already Jenkins is there. So we won't configure Jenkins again. Let me restart and check whether Jenkins is installed or not. This is the last session on the we have taken where our Jenkins was installed. Let me start the instance of this Jenkins. Start instance. Jenkins server will start. This is the IP address. Let me open this. Let me close tab to right. Let me open this. Okay, what is the port number? Colon 8080. Right. Starting Jenkins. Yes, Jenkins is there. So our time will be saved. We again no need to install Jenkins in one of the EC2 machine. So we will use this machine Jenkins Dev 11 May where Jenkins is there. So our first one part is done. So according to this part is okay. This part is we can mark as okay. This is done. And what is our name of the Jenkins? This is our Jenkins. Let me log in. Let me guys log in. Let me log in. This is might be the username of this Jenkins server, which we configured. Let me paste here. So this will save our time. Only we need to install two EC2 instances. Okay, yeah. Successfully it is done, right? Successfully it is done. Successfully it is done. Perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Perfect fine. Our server is there. Okay. If already one server is there, okay. But let me delete this pipeline. I don't want this pipeline. Ignore this pipeline. We will create two pipeline. But before this, I need to create two server. Okay. Because according to our diagram, what is done? Think in this way. Let me mark this as a green. Let me mark this as a green. So this part is done. Right? This part is done, right? Any doubt here? Please talk to me, guys. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
This
No,
is
sir.
done, right?
No,
We
sir.
need to do this. We need to do this. So I am creating two EC2 machine, Dev and QA. I will mark them and I will install Tomcat server. Okay, now I am coming here. Coming here in instances. Launch instances. I am giving launch instances. We know what are the steps, right? What are the steps to create a Tomcat server? Java required, right? Already we have the step. Come back. If you have any difficulty, this is our steps. This is our steps. This we need to follow for Tomcat, right? Okay. We will follow step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah, 8 step we will do for two server now. Okay. So I am giving the name Dev Tomcat. I am giving one name Dev Tomcat so that we can Dev Tomcat 15 May. Dev Tomcat 15 May. What is the operating system? Ubuntu. What is the operating system? Ubuntu. Come down. Ubuntu. Come down. No need to proceed without key pair not recommended. Okay. I am allowing the security group. So for SSH purpose, everything is fine. Are we missing anything? No. Are we missing anything? No. T2 micro, let me launch instance. Launch instance will be there. Okay. Let me close other tab so that it won't avoid any kind of confusion. Okay. Instance will be launched. Wow. Instance is installed. Instance is launched. Okay. Instance is launched. Can we connect from to terminal of this instance? Dev Tomcat. Yeah. So let me connect. Let me connect. I'm connecting here. I'm connecting here. I'm connecting here. I'm connect here. If you have good documentation, how much time it required if we know the process? Important is the process. So we are going to do just copy paste. Copy, copy, paste. Simple, right? See, everything we can do quickly. Sudo apt install be done. Right click, paste here. Java is also installed. Yes. Yes. Now to check Java is installed or not by using this command java-version. Already notes provided. Hope you did the practice for last session, because that is very important. If you know this, then this will be in faster mode. What we are doing today, then only you will understand. So as I recommended initial of this session, watch that recording, do the practice, then everything you will find very fast and easy. Java-version, Java is installed. How quickly we are doing now? Now we need to install Tomcat. So this is the URL. This is the URL. Paste here. Enter. What is this?
Sir, sudo.
Sorry, sudo, right? Sudo space paste here. Sudo command is required. No error. What is the error? Did I miss anything? Hmm? One second. Here is one second. Where is our 1 second? Uh,
Sir, latest is 90.0105.
But it will take now. If we take 105 also, why this is giving error? Last time we did the same step. Code not found.
After
Once.
Tomcat 9,
Huh?
after Tomcat 9, again 105.
105, right? Okay. Let me change this. But only 2 days back we did, right? Ah, okay, this we required. Then I need to change this. Okay, this is installed, right? This is installed. We need to change this to what? Latest version. Come here in our documentation. So here version is 5. Always look for new version 105. Okay. So we have to extract, right? So here also, what is the name of the file installed? Let me do ls. This is the file. So always remember, copy this file, whatever there, 105 is there. So we need to change here 105. Okay. Copy this star and extract this file. So right click, paste here, enter. So it will be extracted. Okay. Now extract is done. How to change the port number? I will give con. I will go cd con folder first. Sorry. cd Apache cd Apache first. Apache Tomcat folder. Inside Tomcat folder we have con folder. Con folder is there. Then this file is there, server.xml. Then edit this file, press I from your laptop, insert. So there is a port number. There is a port number 8080. See 8080, connector port number 8080. Can I give 8081? Jenkins will be our 8080. Dev will be 8081. QA will be our 8082. How to save this? Escape :WQ and hit enter. Till now we are good. So what is our diagram? ठीक है 8080. ठीक है, this is the port number. Now we need to change this to star na. Where file is there? Contacts.xml. Okay, come back to our server. ठीक है, cd space dot dot do ls. This contact.xml, I believe it lies in web app folder. Then do ls. 1 second. Let me check. Conf. Okay, let me check there. Where this file lies? Web apps manager meta cd manager cd. What is the folder? Meta inf. Then contacts.xml, ci contacts.xml. So what we need to do here? We need to make this at dot star, right? So let me press I from my laptop, insert mode, come down. Let me delete this part. Dot star, that's it, right? Then how to save this? Press escape :WQ, then enter. It means this part is done. Now come down to our note section. This part is done. This 7th step is done. Now we need to pass this username and password. So where is the path of this file? Con folder tomcat. So come back. How to come out of the folder? cd dot dot out of web app folder. Now come out of web app folder. Okay, now we are inside Tomcat. Where is our con folder? Under Tomcat. So now go inside cd conf. Okay. Oh, sorry, I come out of Apache also. Now let me go to inside Apache. We are in now Apache. cd conf folder. Okay, we are in con folder. Then which file we need to go? Tomcat.xml. Vi edit this file, insert, copy this completely. Press insert. Already we are in insert mode. Come down. Have some space here. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just right click and paste here. Just right click and paste here. It is admin I am giving. How to save this? Escape :WQ. Save. It means come out of this cd dot dot, come out of this folder. Can I start and check this server? Tomcat server. Let's start this server. So where we need to go? Bin folder. Now /start sh. Tomcat start. What is the port IP address of this? 8081 we have given. Let me come here and pass 8081. Let's see whether it is working or not. Okay, need to configure security group also na. 8081, it is not exposed, right? So come to this instance. For this 11th May Jenkins, no, its name should be fine. This is not the one. This is the one. Dev Tomcat 15 May. We need to allow security group na. Come here. Allow 8081. We did not allow 8081. That's why it's not taking. Edit inbound rule. Add rule 808081. 8081. from our browser. Save this rule. The moment I will save, most probably this will work. It will work now. See, it is working. It is trying to load. Oh, IP may be different, guys. Let me check what is the IP. Because this is different server, na? Always. Jenkins IP different. EC2 Tomcat Dev IP is different. So I am hitting that IP. This is the IP. 54. ठीक है? Copy this IP. Come to this. That's why it is not IP. Paste here. Hit this. See, we are able to do that. Let me log in. Whether it is working fine or not. Admin. Yes, we are able to do successfully. No application is deployed. This is our what, guys? Dev. This is Jenkins, different IP. This is Dev. Let me create one more QA. Let me do it quickly QA. Let me do it quickly QA. Come to instance. Come to instance. What are the instances there? Everything we will do. Dev Tomcat. Now I will give QA Tomcat. One new name I am going to for new launch instance. New launch instance. What should be the name? Let me QA. Arre Baba, come here. QA hyphen Tomcat 15 में. ठीक है? Everything is same. Ubuntu is there. Ubuntu Linux operating system. Come down. No required security key. Proceed without security key. Allow SSH. Allow HTTP. Even though I need to for this I will use port 8082. So we will again change the security group 8082. Perfect. Let me connect to this EC2 instance. This is EC2 instance connect. Again, I need to do the same step. This step again I need to do for this Tomcat installation. So we need to connect to Tomcat. I am connecting now. This is another second server. Okay, guys. This is QA. See, QA I am given the name so that you can understand the difference. What is our first command? Copy this command. Just paste here and hit enter. What is our second command? Install Java. Software required always. We run the server. We are installing Java also. Right click, paste here, and then hit enter. Java will install. It will ask yes, enter. Then what is how to check Java install or not? Java -version. Paste here, check Java is installed. Yes, Java install. What is our next command? This is our command to install Tomcat, right? Tomcat zip file will be installed by using this command. See, installed. How to extract this file? Copy this. Same. First do lsc. This is the read in zip file, GS file. So tar command is there. Tar -xvf. It will extract the. See, it is extracted, right? What is our next command, guys? We need to go to where conf folder server.xml to change the port number. ठीक है, I will go conf dot, we are already cd apache tomcat cd space conf enter ls. What is the file name? Server.xml. So vi server.xml file is there. Edit this. Press I from your laptop. Insert. What is the port number? By default, it is coming 8080. Guys, we are able to change the port number of Tomcat. The question should come in your mind. Can we able to change the port number of Jenkins? Yes. The answer is yes. We will do it later after this. 8081 is there already for dev. I am giving the port number 8082. For sake of convenience, I can use the same port number also because these are the different three machines. Na? So no need to change, but just for your reference, otherwise you will get confused. Okay. Now 8082 is there. 8082 is there. Okay. Now can I do save escape? Ideally, one thing I want to tell you guys from diagram, just see this diagram. This is another one machine and this is another machine. So if we run one Tomcat 8080, we can run in 8080 also. No need to change. But when I will hit the browser, then you will get confused. So by seeing this port number 8080 means, okay, this is one 8081 means this is dev 8082 means that's why I'm creating. Otherwise, all are three different machines. So no need to change the port number also. But just for sake of convenience, I am doing that. Now, what is our next? Context.xml. Where is this context.xml cd dot dot? Come out of this. Let me do ls web app folder. cd web app coming inside. Do ls. What is this? Then we need to go to manager. cd manager. Then cd meta, right? inf. Then we need to check this file. What is the file name? Context.xml. We need to make it star. So now vi context.xml. Where is that file? Press I for insert mode. Here I am allowing from my browser to allow from my browser. In real time, we are not supposed to give allow to everyone. How I am giving right now. We need to discuss what IP we need to allow. That IP only we need to allow. For star means everyone we are allowing, but it's not like that. Based on your project requirement, WQ, save this. This part is done. Based, we in real time we are not giving all star. Okay? Remember this thing. For here we are doing come out of cd dot dot manager cd dot dot then cd then again cd space dot dot. Now we are in Tomcat. We to change the username password we need to go here. So cd conf folder then vi what is the file name tomcat user.xml. Okay. Here we need to add insert press I for insert mode. Here we need to keep some space under Tomcat user tag. Keep some space. Copy everything. Copy everything. Paste here. How to save this? Escape colon WQ and then hit enter. It means this is also configured. Come out of cd dot dot. Go to cd bin folder to start the server. /startup. This the server is the command. Server started. But what is the IP address of the server instance to? QA, right? Copy this, go here, paste here, colon what? 8082. Hope you are good, guys. But 8082 is not configured in EC2. Again, we need to go to security group and we need to allow security for 8082 in this server. Edit this inbound rule. Add rule 8082 from where? Anywhere. The moment I will save, it will work. See, it is working, right? Go to manager app, try to log in with admin. We are able to do that, right? Yes, guys, we are able to do that. Means we have 8082 running, 8082 running. We have 8081 server is running. Now we are in Jenkins, guys. Okay? Now we are in Jenkins. Now, 1 second. Okay. Now, our intention is, our intention according to diagram, according to this diagram, we have to trigger this pipeline, right? For this, we need to install one plugin. Okay. We need to go to manage Jenkins. Manage Jenkins. That plugin is required now to create pipelines. One plugin is required. So first we will install that plugin. So what is our step? New step now. Hmm. Manage Jenkins. Mostly tomorrow we will close Jenkins part, and after that we will install Sonar Cube also. We will work on Sonar Cube in this Jenkins also. Okay? See guys, what is there? Plugins. We need to go. Where is plugin? I believe we need to go to plugin manager. Is there or plugin? Let's go to plugin. Plugin only. I click on plugin. Previously, during first time deployment, we use one plugin, right? Code deployment, some var jar deployment plugin.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we required this pipeline plugin. Hmm. So what is the pipeline name? Our pipeline name is build build pipeline. Build pipeline. Let me click on available plugin. Available plugin. What is that? Build. Come down. Okay, let me search here. Build pipe. This pipeline we need to check, guys. Okay. Build pipeline. I am checking this and I am doing install. Okay. Build pipeline we need to install. So according to our diagram, we are able to install pipeline also. Okay. Now we will create the pipeline. See, it is doing. Let it complete. Yeah. Meanwhile, let me check my GitHub URL. What is my GitHub credential? Sometime I'll forget here. So let me test first because I need to check my password. We require that, right? Let me log out and again log in. Log out. Meanwhile, that plugin install, let me log in, sign out. I'm just testing whether my password is correct or not. Okay. This is fine. So because we need to configure GitHub again, right? In GitHub, this project, right? It is taking time. Till now, everyone is good, right?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Everyone is good, right? What we did, okay. Meanwhile, these are installing what we did, guys. We created what? We created one EC2 separate dev instance. Instead, we installed Tomcat. You guys know how to install Tomcat. We have done just now. And we marked as dev. Similarly, the port, what is the port number I have given here? 8081. Similarly, we have created one more EC2 machine. Okay? And we installed Tomcat server. What port number I have changed? 8082 I have given. No need to record because both are separate machine. But for sake of convenience, I have given this. This 8081 means dev, 8082 means this one, QA. Okay? Now, what is our diagram saying? We require Jenkins. So we require Jenkins. Inside Jenkins, one pipeline we want to create pipeline. Pipeline is going to trigger this sequential of the job. What is our requirement? Our requirement today is what we are learning. Jenkins pipelines. Jenkins pipeline or sequence of jobs. Okay. So if you understand this sequence, how we are doing, once this pipeline will be triggered, what it will do? It will trigger automatically dev job. So dev job one run. What is the rule? What is we are going to configure in dev job? It is going to pull the code from dev and it will push the code into dev server. Once this part is finished, then what is our next step? Automatically QA will run. So when QA will be triggered, what happen? QA will pull the code from QA branch. Let's say for now we will configure only one branch only, but it will whatever the GitHub URL will give from there, it will take and it will deploy into another server. That is our requirement, right? So for that, what we are doing right now, we are installing pipeline. So pipeline is in progress. It is in progress. Let me refresh this, whether it is done or not. See, everything is successful, guys. Everything is successful. Okay. Now, what we need to do, guys? We need to go to where? Dashboard. Come here, dashboard. We have to go to new item. What is this? If you select all this plus symbol, this will give pipelines. This pipeline sequential diagram, but there is no, we will create this pipeline. We will create this pipeline. Before this, what is required? What is required? We need to create dev job and QA job. Can we do that? Let me do that first. Dev job and QA job. New item, ignore 11th May. Today we will create one pipeline, one job we will create, one job we will create. Already in our Jenkins, Java is there, right? Java Maven already configured. So that you should remember. So I am giving Dave job 15 May I am giving. This will is our freestyle project. Click on OK. Then what else we need to do, guys? This is Dave, remember. GitHub, come down. This is GitHub. What is GitHub URL? This is GitHub URL. Copy this project. Come to this URL. Perfectly fine. I have given the URL. Credential. What is my credential? This is my previously we have given credential, so it is saved. So no need to worry. So what is the branch name? Main branch. So I will change the name main. Perfectly fine. Main branch is there. Okay. After this, what is our next step? After this, we can give pole SCM also, guys. Pole SCM means something we can give, right? Mm, it will take cron frequency also we can give. If the moment the code will be there, new code come, it will every minute it will look for this. So let me give 5 star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we come out of this. Every minute, okay? Every minute it will trigger. Okay, no problem. But yeah, no problem. Then what is our next step? Build step. Maven target. What it will do? What we are expecting? Maven, right? Clean install. This command, right? To create a jar. After this, what you want? What you want? Deploy var EAR. Right? What is the this is the path, right? This is the path, right? Copy this. 1 second. Here we need to give star dot /star .var, right? No. /star.var. I am giving the path vkdev. I am giving vkdev. What is the container? Add container. So Tomcat is our container. Tomcat is our container, right? ठीक है. So now I am giving here what is the credential? Same credential admin. So no, not required anything much. See Dev URL, Dev port number. It means this IP is Dev. Just for your convenience, I am telling you again. Okay. Save. Most probably a build will be triggered, guys, because I have given pole SCM star. First time it will do. Let's see. It will trigger. Then what I will do? I will remove that star. No build is there, right? No build is there. No build is there. Then no problem. We will go to dashboard. See, automatically it started, na? See, automatically it started pending, finish, waiting. Because of this star, every minute it is going to trigger. See, success, na? Let me refresh. See, VK dev is there, right? Deployment successful. Let's wait for 1 minute whether this second pipeline automatically trigger or not. Because no latest code I change, right? So it will wait. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Important part till now we did not even started. We need to create pipeline. That part we have to do. Okay. This is the common thing, right? Now this is dev job 15 May. I will create same pipeline. QA, but let's wait for 1 minute only. I believe 1 minute is done. So no latest code is there. It is looking every time, but no latest code is there. So that's why it is not starting the build. If the moment I will change the code here automatically to GitHub, it will automatically start picking the code. Okay, so let's go to create one more job. And then after that, we need to create what? Pipeline. Pipeline will trigger dev, pipeline will trigger QA one by one in sequence. Okay. 11 is new item, new item. Already exists, so I will change the name. I will make it QA. Restyle project. Okay. I don't want description. Git. Where is my URL of Git? This is my. See, I am using the main same. I am using the same, but maybe QA branch will be different now. Tell me, guys. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For now, I am using the same branch, but tomorrow QA branch will be there now. That URL I have to give. Just for saving of time, I am giving this URL. Whatever URL you have to give, you that credential you have to give. Okay, you are good, right? Okay. What is the branch name? Even though we have to provide the branch name, same way. Whatever you are doing that branch name, you have to specify. After that, uh, 1 minute, 1 second, guys, 1 minute only. Build build after the project are built. Which project? Which project we want? Dev, right? Dev. Dev 15 job. See, observe guys carefully now. I am creating QA. I am doing QA, but I am giving what in this place when it should trigger build after other project are built. Which one I am trying to add? Dev. See, I am giving Dev. Once this Dev job is triggered, then trigger this QA job. Are you waiting? When this will be trigger, then only trigger this gen. That is what I am configuring here. Are you good? This is the new thing. Are you good or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come down, come down, come down. Add build step. Same thing. Invoke top level. Maven is there. Already installed in previous session. Clean install. Clean install. After this, what we need to do? Okay. Pull post build action. Deploy var. What is that? ***/* dot var, right? What is the container path? What is the context path? Can I give vk-qa? Add container. What is the container name? Tomcat 9. What is the credential? Admin. What is the URL this time? Not 8080. I have to give 8082. Copy this. Come here. Paste here. Okay? Perfectly fine, right? Save and apply. Now second pipeline is created. Second pipeline is created. Go to dashboard. Let's say that first dev job triggered second time or not. Let's see. I have given **** now. See, this is Dave, right? Can we go inside this, Dave? Only one time trigger. If I make the changes in my code and push, then automatically I no need to do. Let me do that also in front of you guys. I am going here. Arre Baba, not this way. Let me go to this project, copy this, show in System Explorer. Go inside this. Let me start git bash. Automatically created because I given star star star. It is looking every time, but there is no code, new code na. So it is only one time it triggered, but second time it not did trigger. Let me go to STS. Let me do some changes according to our code. What is coming here? Let me add USA. I am doing some changes. I am adding some USA now. I am adding USA. Save this. It means git bash. Let me do git status now. Git status. ठीक है. Index dot now git add space dot. ठीक है. Now git commit hyphen m city added. Let's say. ठीक है. Then what is that? Git push. Git is pushed. Come to our GitHub. What is the circus? Let's see. Let me reload this. Now code is changed. Code is changed, right? Come to here. Wait for a minute whether it is working or not. This is not our today's agenda. Our today's agenda is pipeline, but let's see. We are here to observe that also. Second pipeline trigger, right? Did I trigger this pipeline? Tell me, guys, did I trigger this pipeline?
No, sir. Auto.
Automatic code, it found in GitHub, new code is there. It is going to GitHub, it is finding, okay, new change is there. Automatic deployment done. Can I refresh this? US came, right? Do we need to do every time? No. Everyone is with me, right? Please, guys, talk to
Yes,
me.
sir.
Okay. Now go to dashboard. Now we will create pipeline. Now we will create pipeline. What is our diagram saying? What is our diagram saying? Pipeline will trigger Dave. When Dave is done, QA will be triggered. This is what we want now. How to create the pipeline? Here plus symbol is there. Click here. Plus symbol. I am giving some pipeline. CUT pipeline. Continuous technology pipeline. Pipeline. CUT pipeline. ठीक है. Build. One second. What is not expecting diff? Oh, okay. Build pipeline. Create. Let the pipeline is created. We need to configure the pipeline. ठीक है? Pipeline name we have given. This is the name we have given. Now we are going to edit this. What we need to do, that we will do it now. So description wise is good. ठीक है? Description, हाँ, select initial job. Initial job it is asking. Once you are triggering, what you want? First, we want which one? Tell me guys, dev or QA? Hello? Dev or QA? Dev or QA, tell me. Papa, you are there or not?
Dev.
Dev or QA? Ah, because already once dev is there, we have configured in QA na? We have configured in QA na? That after that, what we need to do? Okay. Once dev is triggered, then what happened? QA will be triggered. Because in QA, we have defined that. Now here, everything should be no. Everything will be no, no problem. Everything is no. Ignore this. ठीक है? Just we need to do save, guys. Save. Pipeline is created. Pipeline is created. How to see the pipeline? How to see the pipeline? Let me go back and undeploy the code. Undeploy. In dev I did undeploy. Okay. Okay. Now tell me guys, are you able to see the pipeline? Are you able to see the pipeline or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what will happen? We will trigger this pipeline. It will trigger this and it will trigger this. So are we seeing anything now in QA? Anything QA? Any deployment is there? This is 8082. Anything is there?
No, sir.
No, right? Okay. Let's try. Run. Maybe run is the option. Run is the option. See, it is triggering. See, Dave is green. Dave is green, right?
Yes, sir.
Dave is green. I don't know. Let's see. So let's come here and refresh Dave, whether deployment done with the pipeline or not. Refresh this. Dave, job 15 May. Come here. List application. If not, it's not a problem. We will see what is the issue. Trigger a pipeline is option is not there. This is the pipeline. See, VK Dev is there, right? VK Dev came, right? This is 8081 na, guys.
Yes, sir.
QA also came, right?
Yes, sir.
Can I click on this is QA? Can I click on QA? Coming, right? Are you good? Are you good? Let me click on Dev. See, in URL you can see VK Dev, right? It means Dev is there. 8081 Dev. Come here, 8082 Dev. QA. Code is there, right? Now let see everything's triggered, right? Successful. Can I push the changes again? Can I remove this US? ठीक है? Save this. Save this. Go to that folder, git status. Git status. Okay, git status is fine. Then git, what we need to do? Git add space dot this file. Okay, git add dot file. Then git commit, git commit -m USA removed, enter. Then what we need to do? Git push. Git push, it will be done. Go to GitHub. Earlier, 8 minutes ago, we did something. It will show now. It is showing now, right? Come here. Come here. Can I refresh this? It is USA. It is also USA. Can I trigger the pipeline? Let me run the pipeline. I'm triggering the pipeline. So dev job is done. Dev job is done. US is there. Let me refresh this. USA gone, right? Let me check whether QA is reflected or not. QA, USA in QA also gone, right? Are you good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? No, right?
No.
So I'm stopping my screen share. I'm stopping my recording. And guys, before starting, let me say one thing. We are able to know how to change the port number and password, right? In case Jenkins, we forget how to do that. Okay. That part we will see tomorrow. And tomorrow we'll try to close the Jenkins part. Then next topic will be Sonar Cube. Okay. Next thing, how to use Sonar Cube for report generations. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So today in the CI/CD playlist, only one recording is there. Before today's session, we have one theory session. That recording I will upload. Second recording will be there. And today's recording will be there. So 3 recording will be, you will find there. Okay. That will be completely related to Jenkins. Okay.
Sir.
I'm stopping recording now. Why I'm saying in recorded mode? By listening this, they can understand whoever watching that. Okay. I'm stopping recording now.